Ready to unleash stunning graphics and dominate the gaming world? Let's get your PC Geforce ready. First things first, is your PC even capable of harnessing the power of Geforce? We need to check for compatibility. Look inside your PC. If you're comfortable, to see if a graphics card is installed, you can also check your PC's specifications online or through your operating system settings. Next, head over to the official Nvidia Geforce website. This is crucial to get the right drivers. Find the drivers section. On the driver download page, you'll be prompted to specify your product. Select your product type. Typically Geforce for gaming cards. Choose your product series, like the RTX or GTX series. Finally, select your exact product, the specific model, such as an RTX 3070. Choose your operating system. Click the search button, and you'll be presented with the drivers. Click the download button next to the latest driver. Open the downloaded file to start installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the driver installation and restart your computer if necessary. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Geforce drivers. Now, fire up your favorite games, experience stunning graphics and smooth gameplay.